go. Get some sides and chicken feet. Yes. Get to you. And then this one you have to get your own. Yeah. But and then I like this place more than the other place. The other place didn't have crab legs. Can you move out of my way, Daddy? Why do you have to 阻住我影嘅？Wow, this is for Korean barbecue only. 哎呀，太排啊，阻住我啦 ！Korean barbecue. Holy moly, cannolis! Even have frog legs. They've got frog legs. Squiddies. 哇！佢話好開心啊，我爹哋，佢好中意嚟呢度啊。
How much are going to say you're weak?
Oh, yeah? Yep, sauce. And then mommy.
I have no problem. Oh my god.
Oh, they have Daddy's favorite dessert too. And of course, an ice cream section with strawberry ice cream with